Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant, in that case this is the best time for you to buy this tablet. If you have IDFC debit card, in that case you will get 4000 discount, or if you have HDFC credit card, in that case also you will get 2750 rupees cashback. So with IDFC debit card you can buy this tablet at around 16,966 rupees. Similarly, if you want to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case also you can get great discounts on 8GB and 128GB variant. The current price is showing 25,999 rupees, and after applying discount of IDFC credit debit card you will get this discount, and you can buy the tablet at around 22,666 rupees. Or if you have HDFC credit card, in that case also you will get 3.5k discount. At 22,666 rupees, Xiaomi Pad 7 is a very good option to buy. If you want to buy Poco Pad 5G 256GB variant, in that case also there is a great offer on this tablet, and you can buy this tablet at around 21,750 rupees. Though I think the price is average, it is not much of great offer. However, if you want badly this tablet, you can buy this tablet right now at this price point. The next tablet is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. There is much demand about this tablet. People want to buy this tablet, but the pricing is not so right now. Currently it is showing 34,499 rupees, and after applying credit card discount you will get this at around 30,000 rupees, but I don't think this is a good pricing for this tablet. If you get Tab S9 FE Plus under 25 or 26,000 rupees, you can buy. Otherwise I think you should wait for another sale, maybe Big Billion Days sale. Now if you want to buy Moto Pad 60 Pro, in that case also the price is on the higher side. It is showing 25,109 rupees, and after discount of 1,750 rupees you will get this around 23,000 or something. So I don't think this is a good pricing for this tablet. You should rather wait for Big Billion Days sale to get the best discounts on Moto Pad 60 Pro. Also, Oneplus Pad 256GB variant is offering you a price point of 26,999 rupees, and you will get discounts of only 871 rupees. So I don't think this is a good pricing for this tablet. If you get this tablet under 22,000 rupees, you can buy Oneplus Pad 256GB. So these are some pricing of some of the tablets that you should buy and you should not buy. Wait for another video when I will cover more tablets. Hope this video is informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.